You can shut down a sneeze in seconds just by pressing your finger firmly right under your nose. That's not a myth, it's a wild hack that actually interrupts your reflexes before the sneeze even happens. Here's what's going on. When you feel that tickle and know a sneeze is coming, there's a split second where your body is gearing up for the launch. But by applying pressure just beneath your nostrils, you send a new set of signals to your nerves, overriding the sneeze command. It's like hacking your own body's software. The pressure distracts the trigeminal nerve, the one responsible for those itchy, sneezy signals, and puts the entire sneeze process on pause. So next time you're about to erupt in class, in a meeting, or even on a first date, try this trick and watch your sneeze disappear like magic.